How to share Wi-Fi password on Android QR method. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that our first step will we will simply go to settings. So I will simply go to setting in my Android phone. Once we click on settings, here you guys will see a lot of options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks and other things. So I'll simply click on Wi-Fi. Once I click on Wi-Fi, here you guys can see my Wi-Fi was on and I am connected to PTCL BB. In your phone, you guys will see your Wi-Fi. So for sharing your QR password, you guys can see on Wi-Fi, you guys can see lock option with arrow. So I'll simply click on that lock option. Once I click on that lock option, here you guys can see share Wi-Fi network. Also you guys can see QR code. So for sharing the password, you guys will simply share that QR code, and once you send that QR code to someone and if someone scan that, that's it. They will be connected to your Wi-Fi. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.